Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the thrift store upcycle we'll be creating today. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so here are some of the materials you'll be needing today. Is some jute twine. I chose this kind. Your hot glue gun, your choice of paints, and I chose these two chalk paints. And then I purchased these at a thrift store for 99 cents. Well, actually, I purchased them for half off the 99 cents, so I got them for 50 cents. And it's a set of 8. And then I have these flowers I bought at AliExpress, and these hearts are from a Target dollar spot. And you'll need some scissors and your brush, of course. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is apply a light layer of this dark gray, and it's just so that it covers most of that very vibrant orange there, or it's like a salmon color, but it's just to cover most of it so that when when I apply the jute twine, too much of that color doesn't shine out through it. And I'm not doing the center because most of the jute twine will be covering that. Alright, so while I wait for the rings to dry, I'm painting our hearts that will be going on top of the finished product. And I'm just doing a very light mixed color of the dark gray and the lighter gray that I had. And I'm just doing it one-sided. However, at the end, I think it would have been better if I would have done both sides because a little bit of the back is showing. So I would suggest that you do a little bit of the back as well. Okay, now it's time to apply our twine. I did fast forward this pace because it did take quite a bit to roll onto just the one. So I'm going to show you how I did it for this particular one, and then I did a time lapse for the other 3. And as you can see, I just kind of eyeballed how much I was going to need and just cut a large piece of that jute twine, and then I started gluing the jute twine around the napkin ring here. And I first applied the hot glue gun in the center so that would leave my end inside and unexposed, and then I just kept looping it as I went along until I completed it, and then I went on to the other 3. Okay, now that I'm finished, it's time to go ahead and put on our heart, and we're just going to be putting a little bit of hot glue onto our heart, putting it on there, and then also applying our rose on top of that. And as you can see, it looks very cute, and we basically did the same process for the rest of them. Alright guys, here's our completed thrift store upcycle. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.